Yeah, just try it a little bit. You did so well before. Ja, Susie kommer. Oops. Jättefint! Hooray, Noelle on ice! Noelle on ice! Here we go! Yay! We have 2 skaters in the family, or 3. And we have to test Daddy when he comes. Let's see if we have 4. Yes. Okay. Lucia's gonna show her jump. Woohoo! Be careful, Lucia, don't go too close. Whoopsie!